Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 21st of March. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly see what we have for you this week. What I see for you here is you have the King of Swords, the High Priestess, and the Four of Swords. Your person has the Queen of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, I have the Hierophant card. So either you or your person could be currently in a committed relationship already, or you may be looking for a committed relationship in the future, and that's what you want. Now, what I see for you here, Pisces, is you have the King of Swords energy. With that energy, there is something where you want total honesty from this person. So, you are expecting a very honest conversation maybe from them. And you will not tolerate anything else apart from the facts. Okay. Now, another thing that I see from you is you also have the High Priestess energy. Okay. With that being a major arcana, you already are aware that there is something. Okay, you have this inkling feeling and you know that there is some secret and maybe that your person is hiding from you. So your gut and your instinct is already telling you that there is something that you're not aware of, and that's why you have also moved to this King of Swords energy, because whenever this person will come to talk to you, you know that you are only going to take facts from them. Okay, and you need to know whatever has happened. If there's anything that was hidden, you would want to know that bit. Okay, now I also see that you have the Four of Swords energy. So right now you're not taking any effort. Okay, you're just taking some time out, you are staying back, you're relaxing, because you want this person to take that step forward. You want them to come forward and tell you what may have happened. Okay, now your person currently is in the Queen of Pentacles energy. With that, this person is really well off. Okay, so this person is doing really good for themselves, and that is something that is also at times good for everybody, but it can also go ahead and invite trouble. Okay, because at times what happens is when people see you as very flashy and people see that you have a lot of good things in life, a lot of bad negative people also come around you. Okay, so it could be a situation with this Two of Pentacles energy here, that they could have been surrounded by another person or another situation which was negative and they were trying to juggle that. Okay, another thing that I see from this person is they have the Page of Pentacles energy. With that, they want to start small, they want to start fresh again with you, and maybe they want to have that conversation and have a very solid base. Okay, because this person has a lot of pentacles, so they are looking for stability in the future. Now let's take one card here to understand what is the intention of this person for you this week. Let's take one card. Spirit, help me with one card, please. Help me with one card to understand the intention of this person for this week. Alright, the intention of this person is Judgment. Now that's a very positive card, along with this card being a major arcana. Judgment means this person wants to go ahead and just proclaim. It's like a judgment call that this person wants to take, and once the verdict is out, they want to go ahead and tell everybody that this is what I want and this is what I'm going to do, because this is the correct thing to do. Let's take one more card here to understand why we have Judgment as the intention. Spirit, help me with one more card, please. Alright, let's take one more. Alright, there could be a possibility, and that could be in very few situations. Okay, once they make a judgment call, they would want to be single. Okay, so that's in some cases that this person would want to remain single for some time, because maybe they want to go ahead and enjoy and explore the world and see what's out there for them. That's for very few of you. For the others, what I see is this person wants to go ahead and show the others that they don't want to be stuck with somebody who's not correct for them, so they're better single instead of being with the wrong person. So that's a very strong energy that I'm seeing that this person is going to showcase to the world. Now let's take one more card here. Okay, and that's the Tower card. So yes, definitely there will be a Tower moment in this relationship very soon. And with the Tower card, it's a very positive thing, okay, that happens from nature. Anything which is built on faulty grounds comes crumbling down. Okay, so if either you or your person has done something, okay, wherein maybe you were not honest to each other, or you were not able to go ahead and commit to each other, you still wanted to explore other options, okay, then that's not the correct frame of mind that you are in. So in this case, okay, when you're not ready for a relationship and unfortunately you can't just convey that to your person, then that's nature's way of putting the tower in between the two of you, and it shakes things up, okay, so that both of you take that time out, and then both of you can think, do you really want this in the future or not? So that's what I see for this particular week. Now let's take another card here, which will be a message from archangels and a crystal also that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is celestite. The crystal message is, are you hearing messages from the angels? Have you noticed your life flows easily, as if divine timing is working in your life? Peace is yours. You have a team of angels on your side, illuminating and orchestrating your life. They respond to your thought, wishes and dreams according to the divine plan. Now the message from Archangel Uriel, I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. And that's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.